Now we are going to witness a hard wax covering the eardrum. Through this periscope-aided wax remover, we try to remove the big chunk. But this is stubborn and it is not moving. Through several attempts, a very tiny amount is removed. Near the drum, the nerves are very sensitive and cause pain for the patient. We see that on this side, there is no fungal activity. This is good, but we have to see on the other side of the ear to clearly assess the situation. If your ears make too much wax or if earwax isn't cleared well enough, it may build up and block your ear canal. Earwax blockages often happen when people try to get earwax out on their own by using cotton swabs or other items in their ears. But most important is human life. Raise your voice to stop the killings of innocent babies by the apartheid.